The CDC recently recommended that we have face masks or face coverings when we go out in public. But you might think, well, where do I get a mask and how do I make one if I don't know how to sew? Well, I have a quick pattern that's found on the CDC website, and all it requires is a t-shirt and a pair of scissors. All you want to do is find a t-shirt, preferably a clean, ready-to-use t-shirt. Take it up, lay it on the ground, and you're going to measure about 7 to 8 inches from the bottom of the t-shirt to right about here. You want to take a pen and you're going to mark it. And then to do that on the other side as well. I've done about 8 inches. So that'll be a fairly good size mask. Then you're going to take that, and I would probably go ahead and just draw a line all the way across, because you're now going to cut this off. Now remember, this isn't going to be a perfect mask, but it'll work for what you need. So there you go. So you can do away with that. So now you have this piece that's left. And what you're going to do is then you're going to measure in about 6 inches. And you're going to probably leave about, probably about a ½ an inch to 3/4 inch on each side. And again, you're going to measure that on both sides. And you'll draw a line. You're going to draw on the inner line, so go all the way. And then you're going to cut this piece out. Again, this isn't going to be a perfect cut, just as long as you get those pieces up, which will be used for your string ties to tie around your face. And then you're going to cut the ends. And voila! In less than 5 minutes, you have your own cloth face covering. Just tie it around your face, and you're good to go. Idaho Falls, stay safe, stay healthy.